Hello people! Today, I'm excited to guide you through the simple process of integrating your Android app with Firebase, with a special focus on Firebase Analytics. Firebase is a powerful tool that helps you understand user behavior and make informed decisions to improve your mobile app. Let's get started. Go to the Firebase console, click on Add Project, and give a name to your new project. Follow the steps as guided by Firebase and click on Continue. Next, enable the Google Analytics for your Firebase project and click on Continue. To configure Google Analytics to Firebase, choose your default Firebase account. Thereafter, hit on Create Project. Wait while your project is being created. And done. Click on Continue, and you will be navigated to your Firebase project's dashboard. Here you can see 3 options to integrate Firebase, which are iOS, Android, and Web. For now, let's choose Android. To register your application to Firebase, we have to add our Android application's package name. To do so, navigate to your Android application, go to Gradle Build, and copy the namespace containing our application's package name. Paste the package name in the field, and give a nickname to your application. The next step for adding the SHA key is optional, so we can skip that for now and hit on Register App. For next step, download the Google Services.json file, as it is important as it helps to ensure the security and reliability of an Android device, and keep devices updated with the latest security features. Navigate to your Downloads folder and copy the file. Now go to your Android Studio, and under the Android project, choose Project, and paste the Google Service.json file inside the app. Remember that the JSON file name for Google Service must be Google Services.json, as following the naming convention is important here. Your JSON file is visible with your application's package name and project ID and other details. Go back to your Firebase console and follow the remaining steps. Next, we have to add Firebase SDK to our application. We'll use the Kotlin domain-specific language. Firstly, copy plugin for root level build Gradle file, and paste it under Gradle build of root level app. Secondly, add Google Services plugin to our module level Gradle build. Let's copy and paste it under our plugins section inside project level build Gradle. Moving forward, copy the BOM dependency, which stands for Bill of Materials. Paste it under the dependencies section inside project level build Gradle. Next, copy the Firebase Analytics dependency and paste it inside the dependency section. To save these changes, click on the Sync Text button on top right of the Android Studio. Below, we can observe that the Gradle build sync is successful. Going back to the Firebase console, choose Continue to Console, so that we can see our integration is completed. Yay! We have integrated our app to Firebase and we can observe our application here. On the Firebase console, we can also see our project added. So we've learned how to integrate Firebase with our Android application.